Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments. I do read every one of them, and I love to hear from you. Okay, as you all know by now, there's all these rumors going around about new executive orders. You may have seen all the tweets that President Trump has made on Twitter about all of these new things that he is implementing. One of them is a $3,400 check, which he can't do. More PPP money, which he can't do. He has made a series of tweets like this, and at the end of every one of them, he says the Democrats are holding it up. But in reality, people sees these tweets as something President Trump can do on his own. But he can't do this without the House and the Senate and a bill from them for him to sign. He can't do it on his own. The Republicans and the Democrats has to get in action and get these things done and quit acting so much like toddlers. That's the only way he can get all of these things done that he tweeted about. He can't do it on his own. These tweets that he's made sounds a lot like more executive orders. But I think this is just for the upcoming election. He's trying to look good for the votes. Now, it's good to see that President Trump is still wanting a big stimulus check for the people. The president said to get ready for a $1,200 stimulus check for the people. But, Mr. President, we've been ready for 3 months, and it ain't happened yet. Y'all, the bottom line on this is President Trump doing these things on his own. He can't do it. If he could do this stuff on his own, don't you think he would have done it by now? The fact that it's not done yet just shows that he can't do it alone. As much as we all wish he could, he can't. He's got to have the House and the Senate's vote and approval on it. A lot of people are using $3,400 as clickbait on YouTube. Let's break this down. The original proposal was $1,200 for each adult, $500 for each dependent. A mother, a father, and 2 kids would equal $3,400 altogether. So this is the same amount as it's always been. It's just that $3,400 sounds bigger and better for a YouTube video. When you see stimulus checks, $3,400 on the thumbnail, don't click on that. He also said all Americans would get this. But we know from the proposals, if you're in prison, you won't get it. You're still an American. If you owe back child support, you won't get it. But you're still an American. But didn't it sound good to hear all Americans would get it? Just another vote incentive. Y'all, I'm not bashing Donald Trump. It's an election year. He's doing what he's got to do to get votes. Both sides do it. They've done it forever, and they will continue to do it forever. But it's to entice you to vote for him. They use their these words that they use on these tweets are not their own words. They have people making those words, making those tweets for them, and they approve them, but it's not their words. Okay, y'all. Yesterday I posted my first how to make money on internet video. It didn't get a lot of views, but it got better than I thought it would, being my first one in a long time. Y'all, I will still continue to make these stimulus videos every day until this is over. But on Saturdays, I will be uploading a how to make money video on here to help y'all make more money, because really making money online is the best stimulus out there. Trust me on that. But I had a comment yesterday. A person said that they can't wait for the next one because they want to learn how to make money on the internet because they're disabled and it's hard for them to get up and around very much. Y'all, next Saturday I'm posting a video just for that type of person. It's very easy. All you need is a computer. You're not selling anything. This is going to be so simple. Y'all, please tune in next Saturday for that video. It's going to be how to make money on YouTube. Y'all don't want to miss that. It's going to be very good. Y'all, like I said before, it's always the darkest before daylight. We're going through the darkest hours right now. It will get lighter soon. That I have faith in. I have faith in God that He will see us through this and He will make us better for it. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. And I'm going to post the video that I made yesterday about making money. I'm going to post it at the end of this video. Please go watch it and don't miss none of those videos. I'm going to be breaking down many ways to make money online and on YouTube. I'm going to teach you how to do your own website, make money from your website. And no, you don't have to buy anything from me for this training. It's free. It's going to be on the videos. I hope you like it. I hope you don't miss any of them. It's going to be every Saturday at 2 p.m. I will still have these stimulus videos every day at 6 a.m. And if anything major happens, I will have the second video in the daytime. Y'all, I do love you all. We will get through this. Keep your chins up. Keep the faith. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave your thumbs up. Leave your comments. And just know, I do love you all. Ciao.